Hi everybody, I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful bronzy look perfect for a party in summer. In this video I've showed you a new eye makeup technique and I'm very happy with the way this look turned out. I'm using new products. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to give you all the information about the new products that I'm using. I think it's only fair for you to know the good things and the bad things. Before we get into this beautiful look, make sure that you've subscribed to my YouTube channel. Click on the ring bell button so you get notified whenever I'm posting new videos. Now, if you'd like to see how I've created this, then please keep on watching. This is my second attempt to record this video. Hopefully second time comes with good luck. I'm gonna start with this Cellular Rose Brightening CC Serum. This is from Terry. And what this does is brightens the skin, gives it that luminous look. This comes in 4 different shades, but I do like to use the pink one as I feel like for my skin it just brightens the most. You can apply it with your fingers or with a brush. I'm using this airbrush Flawless Complexion from It Cosmetics. The foundation that I'm going to use today is Woke Up Like This from Il Maquillage. Now, as you probably know, because I was talking about it in other videos, Il Maquillage has this program that's called Try It Before You Buy It, where you basically fill in this survey. I'll put the link in my description box. It takes 90 seconds. They match you with your perfect shade and then they send you the foundation to try it for free for 14 days. You only pay the shipping. If you don't like it, you just send it back, and all the foundations that have been returned, they're being donated. If you like it and you decide to keep it, that's when they're going to charge you. In the past, some of you had some issues with customer service. I've actually had a meeting with them in New York and I was asking like what is going on? Why do people complain about customer service? And they said, they started with 2 people at customer service. This being the biggest program in the world, it had such an impact. They really did not expect to have that big of an impact. So from 2 people at customer service, they have 20 people now. So they assured me that everything is going to be okay. If you have any issue, just address to customer service and they will definitely help you. I've got a few shades of this foundation. I've got number 90, I've got 60, 100 and 110. I'm going to use number 100 for today. It's definitely yellow, a little olive undertone. Now as you can see, my shoulders are much darker than my face, so I need a darker foundation. I'm using the same brush, the It Cosmetics brush, the one that I used for the primer. That is too light for me. But to be completely honest with you, I don't want to make it darker because sometimes it just looks very weird. So I'll just make it darker with a little bit of bronzer, some contouring. We're gonna make it work. But this foundation is just so great for every day because it's very, very long lasting. It sets fast on your face, so you will not have that problem where the foundation kind of fades throughout the day on your chin or the nose. You will not have that problem with this one. It just sets really well on the face. You could spread it with your fingers, with a brush, or with a beauty blender. It's natural looking, but I wouldn't call it invisible on the skin. NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer to hide those dark circles and to also brighten the center part of my face. Sephora 57 brush. After I apply the concealer, I like to go ahead and use my foundation brush just so that I make sure that concealer that I've used and the foundation, they're nice, well blended. I'm going to use this Huda Beauty contour and bronzer cream. And to be honest with you, I didn't even think I'm going to like this product. I'm using it with the Sigma F03 brush. You want to use this product along the hairline. You can use it, to contour like right under your cheekbones. I use a smaller brush because I have more control to it, but you can use a bigger brush if you want to use it as more as a bronzer. Again, with the foundation brush, I like to go over the edge and make sure there's no harsh line going on. All right, now next product is a new brand for me. I've never used this brand before. This is called Lila B, and it actually looks like this. It just looks like a stone, and it's heavy like a stone. When I received it, I was like trying to open the cap. It didn't work. And then I realized it's actually like this. This is a lip and cheek duo. The color is Be Daring. It's a bright, beautiful orange, but you'll see as you apply it on the skin, it looks beautiful. I'm taking it with this Kat Von D brush. This is a powder brush, but I love it for cream products. When you blend your product on the skin and you distribute it evenly on your brush, when you come on your face with the brush, it's like half of the job it's already done. You see, it's so beautifully, easily distributed onto the cheeks. Like, I don't need to worry that I'm gonna make a stain, and that is all because I'm testing it basically on my hand first. I like really strong cheeks, like fiery cheeks, because I'm going to use some powder anyway, and usually blush doesn't really stay on me, at least. I'll do a quick swipe on the nose as well, just so that it looks like just came back from jogging with the hips. Like I said, it's quite strong, but I like it like that. It all depends on your preference, but I definitely think that blush makes you look very youthful, makes you look very healthy and happy. I'm going to contour my nose with the same product that I was using to contour my face. I feel like the tip of my nose, we could make it look smaller with the help of makeup. Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I always like to put the powder into the cap. Always, always make sure that your concealer did not crease. If it did, go ahead, spread it with the brush or with your fingers, and then take a smaller powder brush, fill it with powder, and go ahead, set the under eyes. I like to more focus it like right here, sides of my nose, and around my mouth. Then with what's left on the brush, I just go ahead and set the rest of the face, like so. Eyebrows are done. I've used this time the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in soft brown. I normally am a medium brown because I became blonder. I don't know if you guys can see. Because my hair color got a little bit warmer, I thought soft brown should be better. I'm going to use this Il Maquillage palette. This is in Call of the Shots. And I think it has just amazing colors for a bronzy looks, like just the perfect color. I'm going to use this Isum S33 brush and this color right here and apply right at the outer corner, like in the crease, on the mobile a bit, just focusing the color right there. Now with very light strokes, I'm just pushing the eyeshadow towards the end of my eyebrow. Only with what's left on my brush, I will apply the same product right here at the inner corner, not on the tear duct, and then I tilt my head back. I apply it in the crease. And what's great about these eyeshadows is that they don't really have fallouts. They're super creamy, very saturated, and we've created like a sandwich effect. Then with a clean brush, I blend the edges. 329 brush from Zoeva. And this is just a small detail brush. I'm going to apply the same eyeshadow. Same brush, same eyeshadow. Can you see I have like a little shadow like right here? That's a shadow I like to emphasize because that's going to make my eyes look bigger. Now I'm going to apply that same eyeshadow a little bit on the inner corner. And now I'm going to take this color right here with my fingers and slowly apply it right in the middle of my eyelid where we have that space right there. I'm gonna use a brush to just blend the edges, like so. One more time to make it a little bit more intense. And also with my fingers, I will be applying the eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Blend it again. Now I'm going to take this color right here, the lightest one, with just a flat synthetic brush. This is the Laura Mercier Cream Eye color. And apply it right on that tear duct. Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. When you're at the base of your lashes, just twirl the brush. Twirl the brush. It's gonna make a huge difference. If most of your product is at the base of the lashes. Look. MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. I don't know. Maybe it's been 10 years since I'm using this. On my lower lashes, it's a must. This is an evening look, so you could absolutely go ahead and apply falsies. Now onto the lips, I'll use the Il Maquillage lip liner. This is waterproof. The color that I'm going to use, it's called Coffee. The lip liner is actually helping you create a beautiful shape of your lips. It's also preventing your lipstick from migrating. Sometimes, you know, you apply lipstick and in a few hours you kind of see it like and here, like what is going on? Because this because the lip liner has a more waxy consistency, it's going to form like a barrier and it's going to prevent your lipstick from migrating. Not to talk about the fact that with the lip liner you can, you know, cheat a little bit, create a more fuller lip. I'll use the Il Maquillage lipstick. This is the Matte Dreamy. Just wait to see the color. Oh my god, this is perfection. This is such an amazing warm brown. This is a matte liquid lipstick, but this one in particular, this color, not every single color from Il Maquillage, but this color, it's matte, but it has a very satin finish. So the lips don't look dry, and you see it still has a little bit of shine, which I absolutely love, and it makes my teeth whiter. What a great color. Now we're going to use this brightening CC powder from By Terry. This is not a setting powder, it's not a highlighter, it's an all-over powder that looks so beautiful. It's subtle, it has a very subtle presence on the face, and I like to use it with a more fluffy brush like this one. This is a MAC 137 brush, and just apply the powder wherever you want to brighten your skin. You could absolutely use it all over. Don't use it with a very dense brush because then the product is going to be focused in one place. The fluffier the brush, the better it spreads. Now, to be completely honest with you, I like to use these two colors. One is Apricot Glow and the other one is Sunny Flash. First I use the Apricot Glow and then I take the Sunny Flash and I use it on the perimeters of the face. Nose, of course. I haven't used highlighter. You see, it's just this beautiful glow. This is definitely not for people who want their makeup to be very obvious. This is for more, you know, discreet women who don't like their makeup to show. I like it also because it's available in 4 different shades and it has the right colors for each skin tone. Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face Waterproof Setting Spray Ultra Matte Finish. Now I can tell you that your makeup will last very well with this thing. I've used it quite a few times now and my makeup stayed very matte on the middle of the face because that's where I try to focus the spray. Alright guys, I wanted to come closer to show you how the makeup looks like, how the foundation looks like, how everything looks like. I love this bronzy look. There are a few key products that make this look so beautiful. Obviously the eyeshadow colors, I think really, this is just so good. This palette, 4 colors, you don't need more. This is more for a warm undertone. Like if you have a warm undertone, this is perfect for you. If you have a cool undertone, this would be more appropriate for you, these colors right here. It's called The Real Deal, and the one that I was using is Call the Shots 993. I'll put everything in my description box. Please note that this has a lot of alcohol. Alex had to open the door. I would also not use it if your skin is extremely sensitive because of the alcohol in it. And a lot of fragrance. It also has a lot of fragrance. That's also a downside for a lot of people. The foundation, this is available in 40 shades. I don't expect everybody to like it, but you can see it on my face. It just looks so good. I personally like it so much. This is a cutie. This is so cute. I can't even tell you how much I love this. I love everything about this. The packaging, the colors, the consistency. As you guys know from all my videos, amazing mascara. Amazing mascara. I have a few that I like, but right now this is on the first place of my favorite mascaras. Do yourself a favor and use lip liner. It's gonna change your life. Your lips are gonna be nicely shaped. Your lipstick is going to last all day long. I mean, you don't have to use this brand in particular. It's a very long-lasting lip liner. But if it's easier for you to go in a Sephora and get yourself a different brand, do that. I'm just saying in general, it's good to have a lip liner. Great product. Great product. The only downside, the colors. In my opinion, this is not fair. I mean, this is something that I've used, and I am definitely not a fair skin tone. I would have loved to see something lighter than this. I have clients, guys, that are extremely fair skin tone, and if I use this on them, it looks orange. And a lot of my clients tell me, I would buy, it doesn't matter the price for me, I just want a bronzer, cream bronzer that's working for my skin tone. And so it's a pity that brands don't do lighter colors. Other than that, great product, totally recommend. If I would have to choose between all the products that I have in terms of cream contour bronzer, I think I would choose this one, also because of the price point. It doesn't mean that I don't like all the other products that I have, but quality, price, you know, very good balance. If you're wondering what I've used on my shoulders and my arms, it's this thing. This is the Huda Beauty Nymph Body Highlighter. The color is Aphrodite. It comes in like 3 or 4 colors. This is way too dark and way too red. Absolutely get the brush. So this is the brush that I've received it. I did not expect to like this brush. I would definitely get these two. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the ring bell button because I don't know when I'm posting, okay? So you have to make sure you click on that ring bell button so you get notified whenever I come out with new videos. Follow me on Instagram as well. I post a lot about Paris on my Insta stories. I take you guys with me everywhere I go. So check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I need a proper manicure. I'm gonna lose weight. I'm gonna lose weight. Wait, I'm skinny. I'm skinny. I'm so skinny. Oh my god. Look at me. How skinny I am. Coffee. I did change my hair color and no one will notice. I know. Now that I told you, you noticed as well, right? Thank you.